Hello. Today I will saw a video how I start my day. Basically, I start my day with good deeds. It's look like a small act, but it's a beneficial. I feed the birds, and that's why my day was go excellent, and I feel precious. And you can say it's a niyama. Look, the birds how are chiming or singing in the morning. The sun, you can also say it's an sadaka. It looks like a small act, but it's so good for your mental health. Your health was improved if you give their birds to feed or helping someone, say some good words, kind of kindness.